Let me ask you something real quick. Are your YouTube shorts actually content or just leftover rice from yesterday's party? Because the way some of you are chopping your long video into random beats and uploading them as shorts, Omo, I won't cry for your channel. See, let's not lie to ourselves. If you treat your shorts like they are small chops or pop-off before the main meal, you go shop when YouTube just they ignore you like unpaid NEPA bill. Shorts are not appetizers. Shorts na the jollof rice and turkey. Serve it hot and with pride. Now I know what you are thinking, but I saw Mr. Big creator chop his long form video and post as short and they still blow. Yes, so, but are you Mr. Big creator? Do you have that audience yet? That trust, that clout. Omo, no be everything wey they do for Lekki you go dey try for Mushin. Use wisdom. This is the wahala with many creators. You post a 10-minute vlog and next thing you dey cut am like onions. 30 seconds here, 15 seconds here, drop am as short with no context, no structure, no wahala. Then you wonder why nobody dey click, nobody dey follow. It's not jazz, it's just poor strategy. Now let me break it down to you. Shorts are not clips. Shorts are full-blown content on their own. Even if it's just 40 seconds, it should carry weight like Davido's diamond chain. You need to start thinking of shorts like bangers on their own, not watch the full video advert. You hear me? That thing they do where you go post watch full video in my description, bros, stop am o. Nobody is checking description o. People want enjoyment now, no time. Instead, give them something that slaps hard inside the short. Start with wahala, start with gist, start with something that grabs their eyeballs and won't let them go. If your first 2 seconds dry pass eba without soup, they will scroll past you faster than election promises. Then while you have their attention, say something worth hearing, drop a punchline, teach something useful, expose a common mistake, make them laugh or make them think. Don't drag it, don't fumble, deliver and bounce. You see that moment when someone watches your short and says, wait, who be this person now? That's the real goal. You want them to not just like the short, but want more of you. That's exactly how the algorithm starts helping your matter. YouTube go notice say, ha, people they watch this person finish. Oh, that's when YouTube go begin push your content like election rally. But if you dey post dry clips just to feel productive, the platform go ghost you sharp. And don't get it twisted. Effort shows. Do you think people can't tell when you just randomly crop something from your vlog and dump it on short? They can feel it, and YouTube too. The algorithm no be mumu. When you put work into your short, it shows in your pacing, editing, captions, even sound, quick cuts, engaging delivery, proper subtitles, eye-catchy visuals. When your short sweet, retention go high. When retention high, your reach go explode. But when you take short like side chick, in the last minute, low effort, just let me post something so I feel like I'm doing something, you are just wasting your chance, and YouTube go just leave you with your 12 views and 1 pity like. If you want to grow on YouTube in 2026 and beyond, you must start taking shots seriously right now. Now, if you are tired of guessing, if you want actual strategies, weekly audits, tips that work with zero sugarcoating, come closer. I have a free WhatsApp group for creators like you. People wey don tire to post anyhow. We audit, we fix content, we drop insights that will make you slap your forehead and say, ha! So that's why I know they grow. So click the link down below, join the WhatsApp group, and let's build your channel like proper suya stand. Let's stop this posting for vibes movement and start creating content that actually work. Because at the end of the day, short are not side chicks. They deserve love, they deserve effort, and if you take them seriously, YouTube go take you seriously as well. So let's go build greatness. Peace out.